Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine and doing good at your homes. Today again I am here with a video of English first. So I am going to start lesson number 16. In the previous video we have finished lesson number 15. Okay. So today we will do lesson number 16. So the lesson number 16 is comparison of adjectives. So please open your book at page number 62 and listen carefully. Yes, dear students, so here you can see. So there are basically three degrees of adjectives, or we can say, it can be divided into three parts. So the first one you can see there are three sentences to make you understand how we can categorize these three degrees. So the first sentence is Ravi is a tall boy. Okay, this one, Ravi is a tall boy. Second one, Mohan is taller than Ravi. You can see, means this first picture is of Ravi, second picture is of Mohan, and the third picture is of Amit. Okay, so Ravi is a tall boy. Ravi is already tall. Second one you can see Mohan is taller than Ravi. When we have comparison between these two, means Ravi is means Mohan is taller than Ravi. मोहन इज टॉलर देन रवि. मोहन रवि से बड़ा है. ओके लेकिन जब हम लास्ट पिक्चर देखते हैं द थर्ड वन दैट इज ऑफ अमित. सो अमित इज द टॉलेस्ट बॉय ऑफ द थ्री. इन तीनों में से सबसे बड़ा कौन है, सबसे लंबा कौन है? अमित. इट मीन्स देर आर थ्री डिग्रीज. ओके सो द एडजेक्टिव that is tall. So adjectives I hope you all are aware. Okay, describing words. So you can see here tall, taller, tallest. Tall is used for, we can say, positive degree, है ना, and then taller is used for comparative degree, and tallest indicates what? Superlative degree. And the identification mark also I am telling you, if we are using comparative degree, we use then. Okay, and if we are using superlative degree, we use the before that degree. And for positive one, we only use the simple word that is tall. Okay, I hope it is clear to everyone. Now come to the next part, that is always remember. Here it is written word than is used in the sentence whom when two people or things are compared. I told you an article the, which is definite article, is used before the superlative forms. Okay, so please keep this thing in your mind. Now come to the next page. This is the page where we can see there are different degrees. For example, by adding er or est, let's see clever. See, for example, clever, cleverer, cleverest. Okay, next one by adding the last letter of the positive degree and adding er and est. Okay, by doubling the last letter. For example, bigger, biggest. Big is there, no? Big, bigger, biggest. We did double G. Okay, to make positive, so to make comparative and superlative degrees. Now come to the third one by adding r or st to the positive degree. Okay, able means abler, ablest. We added r or st in comparative and superlative degree. Now come to the fourth one by changing y into I. For example, busy. So we will do busier, busiest. Okay, now turn your page. Fifth one you can see by adding er and est to the positive degrees when it ends in y preceded by a vowel. Okay, means before y there should be a vowel, then we can use er or est. For example, gay, gayer, gayest. Okay, means before y it is a, that is vowel. Okay, so that we have to make, means that is how degrees are framed. Next one by adding more and most. Some of the degrees can be changed. Some of the words can be changed by adding, can be make degrees by adding more or most. For example, active, more active, most active, more beautiful, most beautiful. Okay, next one, seventh one, by using irregular comparative and superlative forms of comparison. Means bad words. There are different words for one word, that is bad, worse, worst. Okay, good, better, best. So in that you cannot do like this gooder, goodest. Okay, so this also you have to keep in your mind. Now come to the journal rules for the correct usage of the degrees of adjectives. देखिए, some adjectives such as prior, senior, junior, superior and inferior take to place of then as. Okay, they take to in place of then. For example, the question had been asked prior to my arrival. Here we are not supposed to use then. For example, they are senior to me in office. Okay, it should not be like they are senior than me in office. Okay, it is clear to everyone. One more example I want to show you, that is on page number 65. Please see page number 65 upside. Double comparatives and superlatives should not be used. For example, Mohit is more taller than Mohan. No, for taller, that is also taller itself a comparative degree, so we don't have to use more. Okay, and Mohit is taller than Mohan is correct. So here you can see it is already put wrong or tick here, so that there will be a clear picture in your mind how to use the correct word. Now come to exercise A. Write the comparative and superlative degrees of the following adjectives. So first one is bold, bolder, boldest. Comparative is bolder, superlative is boldest. Next, active, more active, most active. Next, little, less, least. Next, many or much, anyone you can write. So here I have written many, more, most. And for old also, two you can write either older, oldest or elder, eldest. Okay, so both I have written older, elder and oldest, eldest. Okay, now come to exercise number B. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of adjectives. Already it is there in the bracket, so you have to use correct form. So the first one is the pen is dash then the salt. So we have already discussed that whenever we have then, it means it is comparative degree, so we have to use comparative degree here. So what is written in the bracket? Might. So answer will be mighter. Okay, next one is prevention is then, also here also it is written then, so we will write better because in bracket it is written good. Okay, third one is honesty is the best policy, because the is written here, so we have to use superlative degree, that is best. Okay, next one is gold is more precious than silver. We are not supposed to write preciouser. Okay, because in bracket it is written precious. Next one, lead is the heaviest of all metals, means heaviest. Among all metals we are talking about one metal, that is superlative degree. Next one is my knife is sharper than yours. We have not heard the latest news. Why latest? Because the is written here. Archana is prettier than Anita. Comparison. Okay, this is the largest emporium in the city, means only one emporium which is largest. So here it is the and largest. Next one is which of these two books is better. Why we have written better here? Because two books is written here, that means comparison is going on, so we will put better, that is comparative degree. Now come to exercise number C. Choose the correct following sentences and rewrite them. Correct the following sentences and rewrite them. So first we have to correct them and then we have to rewrite. For example, Sushmita is more taller than Rashmi. Now you can see taller is already a comparative degree. We are not supposed to write more here. So the answer is Sushmita is taller than Rashmi. Next one is he is senior than his friend. Just before starting the exercise, I discussed with you senior, junior, superior. We use to instead of then. So he is senior to his friend. Next question is next sentence. Orange is a juicer fruit. Juicer is wrong because we are talking about only one orange. Orange is a juicy fruit. Okay. Now come to the next page. Same exercise. Question number sentence number 4. Mohan is clever to his classmate. Cleverer it is written here, so there should be clever. Mohan is clever to his classmate. Okay. Next one. Why we have written here clever? Because to his classmate is written here. Okay. Next. Africa is the largest than Australia. The largest than Australia is wrong. Africa is larger than Australia. Okay. This is correct one. Now come to learner's drill. Exercise D. Who is the tallest of all three people? Tall is written, so because of the we will put what? Tallest. Okay. Next one, please see. Who is younger? Parv or Amit? Why we put younger here? Because there are two names which we can say comparison is going on. Third one you can see, is Cinderella a better story than Harry Potter? Again comparison. In our religion, in our region, August is the hottest month. Okay, because we are talking about the hottest month, that is one only, that is August. Next one is difficult. Word is written here. I think this is the most difficult question in the lesson. Comparative, no comparison is there, only superlative degree. Next one, who is older, Andy or Steve? Because two names are written here, I told you. So we will put comparative degree. Now come to the next one, seventh one. This maths problem is the easiest of all. Okay. Next, eighth. The rose is prettier. Student, for pretty we will put prettier than the daisy. The spelling is Prettier. Prettier. Next one. Your costume is the prettiest one I have seen. Prettiest one I have seen. Superlative degree. Large. Whose farm is larger, Mr. Johnson's or Mr. Brown's? Next, these watermelons are the tastiest of the season. Okay. Next, funny. So what we will put? The clown was the is written here. Please keep in your mind. So we will put funniest. Funniest. Funniest of all acts in the circus. Okay. So students, still here your chapter is completed. Chapter number 16. If you have any query, if you didn't understand anything, you can ask in the comment section or in live class. Okay. And then please complete your work, revise the chapter, and take care.